What's up, guys? Biker Dave here with a older ceiling fan. I'm sure this thing is more than 20 years old. The issue was when you pull the light chain, it sometimes would not do anything. Like you'd be able to pull it down somewhat, but the light would not go on or off. And what's likely the issue is the mechanism inside there has just, gotten stuck and gummed up over the years. So I just tried a little quick fix and it seemed to help. So watch this. All I did was take a little can of WD-40 and get your nozzle right up in the hole and gently just spray quickly, just real quick, just do a couple of scoots right there and seemed to solve it. So it's just gotten a little sticky inside there. I just did a very tiny little scoot of WD-40. And there you go. And if that doesn't fix yours, you may have to replace the entire switch mechanism, which you'll have to, Google and Amazon or whatever. So take some photos of it and look online. I have another video on a ceiling fan fix on how to remove the globe of another ceiling fan, not this one, but another one. So make sure you scan through my channel. We got all kinds of how-to videos and fixing stuff around the house, working on your car, tinkering with golf carts and motorcycles, dirt bikes, whatever. Over 2,000 videos on our channel, so check it out. And you might find something you like. And if our video saved your life, so to speak, make sure you click that thanks button that's underneath the video screen. And feel free to shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. You'll have a great day. Look for the social media links and parts and tools that I recommend for the regular guy in the description of this video. Thumbnails are coming up. Click on them. Go elsewhere in the channel. You'll have a good day. We'll see you.